ASL is a brand built on trust. It's also a brand built on understanding, and it's a brand built on advancing not only our own initiatives, but those of our customers. My name is Travis Pollard. I'm the Vice President and General Manager of ASL Print FX in Napa, California. We currently have 10 employees. We're doubling our size and we're growing exponentially. We have 2 facilities in the greater Toronto area, and then we have 1 facility in Winston-Salem, North Carolina, and then we also have our facility here in Napa. Our primary market is wine and spirits, but we're a fine printer for all different types of products. And we do that through efficiencies, and we execute at the highest possible level in the industry. Every label that we print is its own custom project. It can require foil stamping or embossing or variable data or sequential numbers, and we have the tools to do that with our MPS EF Simjet and Domino press.
I'm Stacy Daly, Executive Vice President of ASL Print FX. You know, I like to say when people walk into this building here, I want it to feel like they're on the Starship Enterprise. We research very well to find the right equipment that complements our customers' vision. That's kind of our mission statement, to bring your vision to life. I believe that the Inkjet technology is the future because it does stretch the envelope of what we do every day.
This is our MPS EF Simjet. It's a hybrid press that combines digital and flexographic printing. It comes with a web cleaner, corona treater, lamination tower, a Domino print engine, 2 flexographic print stations, rotary photopolymer embossing, rotary magnetic die cutting, and it's all controlled at this console by 1 operator in 1 pass.
Travis, our General Manager, Vice President down here, has a saying, he doesn't try to sell people, he tries to offer solutions. If they need something tomorrow, we'll bend over backwards to make that happen.
We print labels for companies of all sizes. So if you're printing 100 cases of wine labels versus several million, we have the tools in our toolbox to support all levels of growth. We won a first place at TLMI for a label called 15 Minutes of Fame for Anarchist Wine Company. The wine label was designed by a San Francisco designer. Her name is Jenny Dahl, and absolutely on the cutting edge of design. And that's how you win awards, through a partnership of a collaboration, of understanding the technology and delivering on the brand goal.
So all the labels that are best of show in all these different countries' associations meet, and then they decide who was the best of the best. This gentleman who I respect a lot, I got a phone call and I picked it up and all I heard was, "Now that's impressive." So yeah, we win a lot of awards. You know, we're not alone. There's a lot of our competitors that win a bunch of awards, but we hold our own, that's for sure.
We view Domino technology as our future, and the partnership that we have has been incredible. The Domino difference is the level of support we receive, bar none. Tom Gresnick and his team are the best in the business, and they always take the time to teach our operators more about the equipment so we're self-sufficient. It's a win-win proposition.
Our future for us now is we're buying another Domino for Canada. Investing in that future now will pay off dividends. Every year, every month, I see us growing more and more. And Domino digital technology is getting us closer to a platform where we're starting to remove variables. That's the win. I'd like to thank Domino for their partnership with a great piece of equipment that we're enjoying working with. I truly, truly enjoyed this experience, and Domino, keep up the good work and we'll continue to purchase.
From all of us at ASL Print FX, thanks, Domino.